Hey guys, this is Whalehater doing Packet Tracer 7235 for the course number 3 of the Cisco CCNA certification. Now, we're doing the Eigrp Troubleshooting. This is only for IPv4, so it shouldn't be too tough. Okay, so I'm going to go through and we're going to find out what's going on, get ourselves some points, and then you guys can go through and make sure that test for full end-to-end connectivity by doing pings all across the network. But I'm not going to take the time to do that. So let's go to R1, since that's number 1, and we're going to do things in order here. I just like doing the show command for do show run, and that tells me so much more than anything else. So it looks like what we have here is we have networks, let's see here, 172.31.10, okay, so 172.31.40.224, okay, and 732. So all of those, all the connected networks are being shared with and about, except for, I would imagine, this one since it's on the G interface, because we don't want to share router updates over to the LAN. Oh, look at that. Autonomous system, the autonomous system number is 11. Let's see what it is over here on R2. Show IP protocols. Looks like they're using an autonomous system number of 1. Let's jump over here to R3. Yep, just as I suspected. Those are both using our autonomous system number 1, and this guy's on 11, so that's not going to work. Okay, let's copy all this. Make sure you get this enter right there. Copy. What we're going to do is we're going to delete the router Eigrp. So say no router Eigrp 11. We're going to delete that one. Let's do our up arrow. Let's give it to autonomous system of 1, router Eigrp 1. Now we're just going to take those same commands from up here, and instead of typing them all back out, we're just going to hit the paste key. Ta-da! So it looks we got two new adjacencies. That's great. Okay, everything else should be good on that one. Let's see, we can just enter in that for R1, the problem was it was using the wrong autonomous system number, and we just changed the autonomous system to 1 and reconfigured the network statements. Resolved? Oh yeah, you betcha. Comes out to R2, and let's look here. We've got the autonomous system of 1 like before. Looks like the metrics are okay. Those are on the defaults. Automatic summarization has been disabled. Let's hit the space bar and see what else is happening here. All right. Now this is kind of cut this off here. This typically wouldn't be there, but anyway, routing for networks, and it's got 2 network statements. Now you'll see that R2 is actually connected to 4 networks. We need to see more than just 2 network statements. 172.31.40.224, that's that network right there, and you got the 20.0, and that's that guy up there. So it looks like he's not sharing with this one, and we don't really need to share about this network because you can already see that. Let's see here. Right now it's redistributing the static address. Now it looks like there was a static address configured. I would imagine it's a default static address. We can just do that here. Let's see, show IP route brief. Yep, you see right here, configured a static route right there. So that one's being redistributed across the network. But we still need to make sure that he's sharing with and about this network there. So we'll go into the configuration terminal, router Eigrp1, and let's give that network statement that it needs so badly. 31.40.228, and that's a /30, so that's in the wildcard mask for Eigrp1. It doesn't use a subnet mask, it uses the wildcard mask. So that's that there. Enter. Did I get that right? Uh-oh. Didn't do that right. Slip of the finger there. You guys saw it right away though, didn't you? 40. Enter. That should be a little better. Oh, mistakes all over the place. I don't want to say no, that network. Enter. Now, look at that. We got our adjacency. Dumb, right? Go. Okay, so that one's there. We've got our 67 points. It's probably it. We can say that R2 was missing a network statement. And proposed solution, add network statement for 172.31.40.228. And we formed an adjacency, so the system was resolved. Okay, drop that down. R3. Let's say show IP protocol again. Now we've got the autonomous system 1 redistributing ERGRP 1. Looks like our metrics are fine at the defaults. K1 and K3 are on. Our hold timers looking good. Look at down here, network routing for networks. Now we've got all three of our networks. We've got the 30, the 232, and the 228 networks. Those are all being shared with. That's great. And it looks like it has two adjacencies formed. That's also wonderful. But the only thing that's different that I see from any of those other two routers is the automatic summarization has been enabled. Now let's turn that off. That cannot be. And the reason for that is because these aren't contiguous networks. So like this one isn't the same as this one across that link. So because they're using the same Class B IP address, you can see that Class B 172 is a Class B, and if it's using a summarization, it's going to say, hey guys, it's going to tell all these other routers and networks I can get to every single 172.31 network. Well, that's not true. Can it get to the 172.31.20 network? No, it can't. Can it get to the 172.31.10 network? No. It's only connected to these networks, and it's advertising like it's got everything, which it doesn't. So we can't let that happen. Let's see here. Router EIGRP1 no auto summary. Enter. So it's going to have to resync those adjacencies, and they'll pop back up here in a second. So that's it. We got our 100 points. We're ready to turn it in. Let's say R3. The problem was it was using automatic summarization. Gave the no auto summary command, and yes, it resolved the problem. So cool. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. We're coming out with videos like this all the time. If you have a comment, question, snark, or complaint, put them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you if I can. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching again. Peace.